Okay, what's up guys? Today's tutorial is all about on how to reset your Chromebook in simple way and fast way. Okay, let's start. So you see that key, that escape key, refresh key, and also the power button. So what we're going to do is to press those keys at the same time. Okay, let's start. Then press. So you see that now, that's the result after we press key escape and refresh at the same time the power button. Okay, so next here guys is to press your again control and D. Here we go. So there's a next instruction. There is turn OS verification off. Press enter. Okay, so we'll press enter. Right, enter. There we go. So press space to re-enable. Okay, our space here. Then OS verification, press enter to confirm you wish to return. Okay, then press enter. Now here we go, OS verification is on, and then okay, here's the Chrome now. And here, you need your password of your Wi-Fi. So that's it. Then just continue, accept and continue. And then sign in. Okay, then accept and continue. That's it for today guys, and now my Chromebook is back to original. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel Adventure Style, and click of course the notification bell for you to be updated of my next video. Bye bye for now.